What to do while dishwasher leaks water during washing or at the end of washing? Let's look together at what the possible causes can be. The first thing to do is to check the integrity of the perimeter gasket that goes all around the perimeter of the dishwasher. Under the door, there is another gasket. It is very important to check if it is also worn or torn. Unfortunately, many times, a layer of lime scale will form all around the gaskets that will no longer allow the gasket to seal properly. The perimeter gasket can be removed and washed. It must always be cleaned to ensure proper functioning of the machine.